Next method, cross multiplication method. You have already learned two methods, elimination method and substitution method. This is the third method, cross multiplication method. What is the cross multiplication method? Let us consider two linear equations, that means a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. Next is the first equation. Second equation, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Second equation. Okay. We have to eliminate one of the variable. I am eliminating one variable y. Here this y coefficient b1, here what is the coefficient of y? b2. This first equation multiplied by b2, second equation multiplied by b1, you can make the coefficient same. Then subtract these two equations, you can eliminate y variable. Okay. First equation into b2, a1 b2x plus b1 b2y plus c1 b2 equal to 0. Next is second equation into b1, a2 b1x plus b2 b1 y plus c2 b1 or b1 c2 equal to 0. You can write it b2 c1, b2 c1, here b1 c2, both are same. Okay. This equation number 3 and equation number 4. Subtract it, a1 b2x minus a2 b1x minus a2 b1 into x plus, here these two are b1 b2y and b1 b2y, both have same coefficient, subtracted, that means 0. Next b2 c1 minus b1 c2 equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to b2 c1 minus b1 c2 divided by minus of, okay, minus of b2 c1 minus b1 c2, a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Then you can write it, negative sign multiplied by these terms, it will become b1 c2 minus b2 c1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Okay. Substitute x is equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1 in equation number 1. You will get y value also, y equal to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. What is the x value? b1 c2 minus b2 c1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Next y equal to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Only this values you by heart it. No need this step. X is equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Y equal to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Okay. This is the, here easy method to find out this value of x and y. X divided by, let's cover this x variable, then b1y, b2y, c1, c2. Should write it its coefficient b1, b2 and constant term the same order, b1, b2, c1, c2 equal to y divided by, cover y variable, first you start from here, constant term c1, c2, then a1, a2 equal to 1 divided by constant term will cover it, that x term and y terms, your coefficient of x and y term, you write it there, a1, a2, b1, b2. Then just cross multiply all the terms. All the terms you cross multiply it. First you start from the downward position, you multiply these two numbers, you multiply it, that means downward position numbers you multiply, that means x divided by b1 c2 minus subtracted b2 c1 equal to y by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 equal to 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Here these two are equal. Okay, then you can write it x by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 equal to 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Therefore, x is equal to, you just cross multiply it, b1 c2 minus b2 c1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Okay. Next, y by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 equal to 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Cross multiply it, that means y equal to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. These are the values of x and y. Okay. Here one more condition is also there. Already learned the a1 a2 not equal to b1 b2. It means a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2 means what? Some conditions are there. What are the conditions? A1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2 means it has unique solution. Okay, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. That means it has many solutions. This is a unique solution. Unique solution. Here what's it? Infinite solution. Infinite solution. Next, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. It means no solution. Which of the following pairs of linear equation has unique solution? No solution or infinitely many solutions. In case there is a unique solution, find it by using cross multiplication method. We have to find out this linear equation has unique solution or no solution or infinitely many solution. How can you check? First we have to check a1 by a2 and b1 by b2. What is a1 by a2? a1 by a2 equal to 2 by 3. What is b1 by b2? b1 by b2 1 by 2. That means a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. That means it has unique solution. Unique solution. It has unique solution. Definitely you should find out the value of x and y by cross multiplication method. How can you find out the value of x and y by cross multiplication method? Same thing. Okay, that's a very easy method when compared to elimination and substitution method. First you write in what? Standard form. 2x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. Next is 3x plus 2y minus 8 equal to 0. Okay. Here x by same thing, cover the x terms, then remaining terms you should write. How can you write the remaining terms? Coefficient of y, write it 1 and 2. What are the constant? Constant negative 5 and negative 8. Negative 5 and negative 8 equal to y. You just cover the y terms. First you start from the constant part, that means negative 5 and negative 8 you should write it first, then coefficient of x 2 and 3 equal to 1 by, that means constant term, cover it, then coefficient of x 2 and 3, what is the coefficient of y? 1 and next, for which values of a and b does the following pair of linear equations have an infinite number of solutions? Here infinite number of, so it has infinite number of solution. What is the condition for infinite number of solution? A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. First you should write it like that, okay. Infinite solutions, infinite number of solutions, infinite number of solutions. Condition A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. But here in this equations, what is A1 and what is A2? Here A1, A2, 2 by A minus B. Okay. What is B1 and B2? B2 equal to 3 by A plus B. What is C1 by C2? C2 you can write it the standard form, 2x plus 3y minus 7 equal to 0. This is equation number 1. Next, what's it? A minus B into x plus A plus B into y minus of 3A plus B minus 2 equal to 0. This is equation number 2. Okay. The same thing, negative 7 divided by negative of 3A plus B minus 2. You can write it 7, it's both the negative you can cancel, then you can write it 7 divided by 3A plus B minus 2. Okay. First you cross multiply these two fractions, then how can you write it? 2A, 2 by 2 into A plus B, 2 into A plus B equal to 3 into A minus B. 2A plus 2B equal to 3A minus 3B. Here 2A minus 3A equal to minus 3B minus 2B. Minus A equal to minus 5B. A equal to 5B. Okay. Next cross multiply these two. Okay, that means 3. type of equation, how can you solve it? You can solve very easily by what? Cross multiplication method. Okay, in this type of equations you can solve by cross multiplication method. That method is very easy. Okay, then here you can write it x by a plus y by b equal to a plus b. You can write it x by a plus y by b minus of a plus b equal to 0. This is a standard form. X by a square plus y by b square minus 2 equal to 0. This is the first equation. This is the second equation. Okay. Then x is equal x divided by, here cover this x variable, y variable. What is the coefficient of y in first equation? 1 by b. What is the coefficient of y in second equation? 1 by b square. 1 by b, 1 by b square. Okay. Next, negative of a plus b, negative of a plus b, negative 2. Okay, is equal to y by, okay, cover this y variable, y term. Then first you start from here, negative of a plus b, negative 2, next 1 by a square is equal to 1 by a square, 1 by b square. Cross multiplication. X by minus 2 by b minus of a plus b, minus of a plus b by b square equal to y by minus a plus b into 1 by a square, minus a plus b by a square minus 2 into 1 by a, minus 2 by a is equal to 1 by a into 1 by b square, 1 by a b square minus 1 by a square into 1 by b, 1 by a square b. Next, x by, take the LCM b square, you multiply here also b, minus 2b minus into minus plus, that is additive, take the additive inverse, minus of minus a plus b, take the additive inverse, it will become plus a plus b by b square, okay, equal to y divided by, here also a square is the LCM, minus of a plus b minus a minus b, then take the additive inverse of minus 2, that is plus 2a divided by a square is equal to 1 by ab common, you can take it 1 by b minus 1 by a. X by minus 2b plus b, a minus b by b square equal to y by minus a plus 2a, a minus b by a square is equal to 1 by ab into, take the LCM, a minus b by ab. That is x by x into b square by a minus b equal to y into a square by a minus b equal to 1 by a minus b by a square b square. You can write it x into b square by a minus b minus b, y into a square by a minus b equal to, take the reciprocal, a square b square by a minus b. These two are equal, then you can write it x into b square by a minus b equal to a square b square by a minus b. A minus b and a minus b you can cancel, b square and b square you can cancel, x is equal to a square. Same way, y into a square by a minus b equal to a square b square by a minus b. Here a minus b and a minus you can cancel, a square and a square cancel, y equal to b square. Value of x is equal to a square, y equal to b square. Homework, exercise 3.5, question number 1, 1, 3, 4. Solve these two equations by cross multiplication method. Okay, x by a plus y by b equal to 2, ax minus by equal to a square minus b square.